today's conversation is going to be about game-changing tax strategies that your CPA hasn't told you about. My name's Noah Rosenfarb. I'm a third-generation CPA. I've been helping clients save money on taxes for quite a long time, but it's been a real pleasure to create a company that we call Wealthrive to help people pay less of tax and become more abundant. Today, I'm with my co-founder, Peter Culver. And so, Peter, please welcome, maybe say a little hello and introduce
Please.
yourself.
Thank you, Noah. My excitement, Noah, kind of dragged me into this world of tax strategy and helping our clients use that to become what we call rich beyond money. So we had a phenomenally successful last year and tremendously increased our business helping people do that. So we're excited to share that with you today. We'll follow the agenda shown on the page. We'll start a little bit with sort of our philosophy about tax strategy, how that's different from what CPAs do. Then we're going to give you some very concrete examples about several of our more favorite tax strategies and how impactful they can be. And that'll include real numbers, things like that. But no, I think we have an exciting offer for our audience today, and maybe you want to summarize how that works.
Yeah, sure. We figured we'd do something new for those of you that are coming to us for the first time, or maybe you're an existing client that would like to continue your relationship with us. We have a $5,000 gift card that if you scan the QR code that's listed on the screen and fill out a short form, if you engage us prior to the end of the month, January 31st, you'll earn this $5,000 gift card, which could be applied either to your next year's service with us, or you could feel free to gift it to a business partner or a loved one that you think would benefit from saving money on taxes, and they can apply it to their first year fee. So please scan the QR code after you hear what we have to say, and hopefully get on a call with our team. We'll review with you how we might be able to help you in your individual situation. And assuming it's a fit, we'd welcome to have you as a client and start saving you some money. So I like to always start off with a question around Tesla, and if you indulge me by chatting in the chat box, one of the questions that comes up is people talk about great companies like Tesla, like Amazon, and many others who pay so little in taxes, and they wonder, how could these companies pay so little? What about me? And I always want to challenge each individual, especially the high-income taxpayers that we work with, to think through who ultimately is responsible for Tesla paying so little in taxes. Is it Elon Musk? Is it the board of directors? Is it our government that set the tax policy? Is it his incredible advisors? Does he have a great tax preparer? Or is it a little bit of everything? And I think what I found in my career is that so often the people that pay more in taxes than they need to, the reason is because they think ultimately someone else is responsible for them reducing their tax bill. And, we have a firm belief, not just firm as in the firm of Wealthrive, but a strongly held belief that it is possible to pay nothing in taxes. And that is a decision that each taxpayer has to make, and that it's unrelated to how much money they earn. And so I think the old belief that we often come across is that the CPA is going to handle all of the information that gets filed on the individual's tax return. And that belief, we believe, needs to be confronted and revised, where you as the individual need to be the CEO of your money. And you're the one that needs to be responsible for setting the vision and making sure that your advisors execute on your strategy. And that's a shift in how most people approach tax preparation, similar to how over the last 30 years, we've seen a dramatic shift in how people approach health, from saying, oh, my doctor tells me what I need to do, to being proactive over our own health going out and seeking information and acting on it, and then asking professionals to assist us in achieving our goals.
So another component of this is the way I like to explain it is if you think about the tax code, there are thousands and thousands of pages in the tax code. And there are three parts to it. There's the red part, the gray part, and the green part. And what's interesting about the tax code, the red card would be the part of the tax code that says you can't do the following. It's a very, very small part of the tax code. Then you have a green part which says you can do, if you do this, X will happen. What is true about the tax code is there's a wide area in between that's open to interpretation, that provides incentives to do things. And so if you kind of couple that with what Noah just said, is what we want to do is help you become the CEO of your money by taking advantage of the numerous opportunities kind of lurking in the tax code for you to take advantage of.